So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to cancel a pending transaction on Zelle. So first, you need to access or open any search engine or web browser based on your preference, but in this case, I'm going to use Safari because it is available on my phone. So after that, you need to utilize your search bar for you to able to search for Zelle. And once you search for it, as you can see, you will see the Zelle icon right here. Once you click on that URL, you will redirect to this page. You just have to scroll it down until you see the end. And as you can see, the contact us, you just have to click on that one and scroll down until you find the contact support button. Once you click on that one, you will redirect to this page. Just scroll it down, and as you can see, it will ask you if you would like to report a scam, deactivate, or even others. So you just have to click on the other and scroll down until you see its hotline that they are available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. ET. And once you scroll it down, you will see Zelle will ask for your first, last name, and your email address, as well as your phone or mobile telephone number, and your Zelle tag as well. And then you could actually explain your problem on the description section and click send message. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.